Here we go, first sip. Woo! Gas. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another Old Fashioned Friday, and this week we are at a newer restaurant. It's been open for 3 months now. We are at Bia Kitchen, which is located in Purcellville, Virginia. This is like our second or third OFF that we've done in Purcellville. But again, brand new spot, just opened in April. Had to come check it out. I will say that I came in here when they first opened, like the second week that they opened, and they didn't have a cocktail menu yet. Things were a little bit, you know, it's like any restaurant when they first open. I didn't have my camera, so I didn't shoot the OFF, but I wanted to see if it was good. If it was good, I was gonna come back, shoot another one. I will say, when I came here, it was not good. They didn't have a single cube, kind of regular glasses. However, it looks like they got some stuff together because this is insanely different from when I came in, if you guys can see this. You guys know how this works. 0 to 3 on appearance, first sip, and overall taste. 0 through 1 on overall ambiance, maximum score of 10. Let's jump into the ambiance. Again, brand new spot. The decor in this place is insane. I'm gonna go full 1. It's got a really, really nice bar. Crazy artwork. The ceilings are literally like gold, literally color of gold across the entire restaurant. It's also got a huge upstairs as well. So yeah, full 1 off of that. Before we get into this appearance, if you're living under a rock, tomorrow, August the 6th, is our 2-year anniversary of Virginia's for Grubbers and Old Fashioned Friday. We put out 2 different videos, 3 different videos, etc., etc. It's gonna be at Goosecup, downtown Leesburg, right off King Street. 4 p.m. August 6th, this Saturday, AKA tomorrow. They're calling for some like scattered thunderstorms, but it doesn't matter. We got inside, outside. The weather's gonna hold off. We're gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. 3 of the top mixologists with the highest rated old fashions in the state that created a custom menu from scratch. They're gonna be creating these cocktails that you're not gonna be able to get anywhere else. They didn't only create the menu, they're gonna serve the drinks as well. We obviously will have an old fashioned there for you as well. We have music with DJ Davy Jones. Watch the video. It's a phenomenal event. Tomorrow, 4 p.m. Goosecup, be there. Okay, let's jump into this appearance. Good size glass, fancy glass, way different of a glass than I've ever had before. Never had this swirly of a glass. Single cube, not clarified ice, but single cube nonetheless. Luxardo cherry and a little orange peel. Nice little gold ball that kind of matches the ceiling too. I'm gonna go 2.6. I try not to go over 2.5 if there's no clarified ice, but this glass is super unique, so I'm gonna go 2.6. Now, before we get into the first sip, it's important to note that I did watch them make this, and typically when you make an OF, you put all of the ingredients into a mixing glass with ice, and then you stir it, whatever, 15, 20 seconds, and you strain it over the single cube. They just made it in the glass itself. It's definitely not the first time I've seen that. I've seen that probably, I don't know, 25, 30 times. I will say that when you do that, the consistency and the taste is not gonna be as good as if you were to put it in a mixing glass, stir all the ingredients together, and then strain it in there. So, just saying that. Here we go, first sip. Woo! Gas. So, I mean, yeah, this is what happens when you just mix it in the actual glass as opposed to a mixing glass. Very spicy, extremely spicy. Very, very spicy. They're using a Woodford Reserve, $14 price point. Again, very, very spicy. You can feel it. I feel it right here, right now. I'm gonna go 1.7 off first sip. Here we go in overall. Still really spicy. And again, no clarified ice, so the ice cube is almost completely melted. It's just spicy, man. That's the only way to describe it. Extremely spicy. I will say it is consistently spicy, so like, you know, that's a plus. It tastes a little bit like straight bourbon with just a dash of bitters and a little bit of orange. We've done over 100 of these. Definitely the most spicy. No clarified ice. Obviously the consistency is gonna get a little bit watered down. However, it did taste fairly consistent the entire way through. I'm gonna go 1.6, so I said 6.9. 6.9, August 6th. Make sure you come out. Tomorrow, Saturday, Goosecup, Leesburg, 2-year anniversary. Be there, be square. Virginia's for Grubbers, Bia Kitchen. Here we are, Purcellville, Virginia. Cheers, guys.